With a growing need for sustainable and recyclable packaging solutions, multi-layer food packaging provides a challenge. Each polymer layer is made of a material with a specific functionality, and separating these layers for recycling is either too expensive or technologically impractical. The solution? An easy-to-recycle monomaterial packaging. SABIC produces a specific polyethylene grade BX202 for Bi-axially Oriented Polyethylene film, also called BOPE film. BOPE film can be the core of mono-PE solution. Monomaterial BOPE in lamination film combines easy recyclability with good optics and stiffness, but can be more sensitive to heat than polyester that is currently used during high-speed form-fill-seal packaging. In close collaboration with SABIC, Covestro developed and tested a new heat-resistant coating resin technology for BOPE films, engineered specifically for stand-up pouches. The reversed printed BOPE is laminated against a blown seal film at Viv packaging. The transparent heat-resistant coating is then applied on the outside of the film. The monomaterial BOPE lamination film with heat-resistant coating was successfully validated at Volpak's form-fill seal line for stand-up pouches. This new heat-resistant coating from Covestro not only provides a barrier against heat, but also prevents heat seal bars from sticking during the sealing process. It supports high-speed FFS line production. The recyclable mono-PE stand-up pouch structure with heat-resistant coating technology is an outstanding example of successful collaboration, supporting the drive to achieve a circular economy for flexible packaging.